The overall goal of this software tool is to generate and prioritize drug repurposing hypotheses based on both genome-wide association study data and phenome-wide association study data.
This method can help answer questions in the drug discovery field, including which available drugs can be repurposed for new disease indications and which candidates have more support in the literature. The main advantage of this technique is that multiple entry points are available to explore the repurposing potential, whether it be from the perspective of a specific disease, gene, or drug.
Access the homepage for Refined Drugs. Begin by entering a query term in the search bar. This term can be a generic drug name, a new disease indication, or a gene. Filter the search bar function to include only drug name, new disease indication, gene symbol, or all categories. The search bar includes an autofill function for query entries. Put in a keyword and click on the search button. The table of results can be stored by multiple options as listed in the top row. Navigate to the Advanced Search option to enable the Drug Information feature. Click on the icon in the info column for a particular drug. Observe a page that lists the p-value for the association, disease name, drug name, gene details, and drug details. Click on the Advanced button located on the right side of the page, and several options to further refine the results are provided. The advanced search options include modifications to drug association.